I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook toast in an air fryer. First, select your favorite bread and slice it to your preferred thickness. Next, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, arrange the bread in a single layer within the air fryer basket, ensuring no pieces overlap for even toasting. Once your air fryer is preheated and the bread is in place, cook it for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. For even browning, remember to flip the slices halfway through the cooking cycle. The exact time will depend on your air fryer model and the type of bread you're using, so keep a close eye on it. Thicker slices might need an extra minute or two, while thinner ones will toast faster. For the best results, always avoid overcrowding your air fryer basket. This allows the hot air to circulate properly, ensuring each slice toasts evenly. If you're concerned about crumbs or sticky toppings, a small piece of parchment paper can make cleanup much easier. Don't be afraid to experiment with various bread types, from sourdough to brioche, to find your perfect air-fried toast. Once your toast reaches that golden brown perfection, remove it carefully from the air fryer. It's best enjoyed immediately, so have your favorite toppings ready. Whether you prefer classic butter and jam, a drizzle of honey, or something more substantial like mashed avocado and a fried egg, air-fried toast provides a wonderfully crisp base for any meal. Enjoy your perfectly toasted creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.